Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Summer. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to black and white the background of any picture. So you might see this trend kind of going around Instagram. It's actually really easy to do, and I tend to do on a lot of my pictures as well. If I just want to have the focus on the front of the picture or me or a certain object, what have you, I will tend to black and white the rest of the picture because then your eyes tend to focus directly on what's in color. Our eyes are just automatically directed to color. So here's a few examples of some of the pictures that I've made the background black and white. As you can tell, your eyes are just naturally drawn to the color in the picture. So let's get started. What you're going to need first is to download the Facetune app. If you do not have it, go ahead and download it now. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edited this picture right here. I'm going to have my whole screen recording right here so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing when I'm doing it and follow along with me. So this is the picture that I'm going to be editing. As you can see, the entire background is now black and white and your eyes are just drawn directly to where all the color is. So that's what we want. So once again, this was our original picture and this is our final result. So what you want to go ahead and do first is open your Facetune app. So I'm going to go to Facetune and you're going to hit the camera in the top left corner, hit open photo, and then you're going to pick the photo that you want. So this is the photo that we want to edit today. And once the photo that you want to edit is there, go ahead and slide on over that taskbar in the bottom of your screen and you're going to hit filters. Once you hit filters, you'll see a bunch of different filters pop up. So the one that we want to achieve this is called Black and White Cool, BW Cool. So go ahead and tap on that. So once that happens, you can see your entire picture is going to be black and white. So the next step to make only part of your picture black and white is you're going to hit the little icon in the bottom right that says wipe. So go ahead and hit wipe, and then you'll see your different options: wipe, apply, fill, clear. So the only ones we're ever going to use are wipe and apply. Right now you have it on wipe. So the easiest way to edit your picture is to zoom in. That way you can get a clear look at what you are trying to wipe. So wipe is essentially what it says. You're going to be wiping away the black and the white from the photo. So all I'm going to do is take my finger and I'm just going to start doing circular motions. I always like to start where the most skin is because that's the easiest to change back. So once you get close to the edges, you always want to zoom in more and just be very precise. So I'm just going to do this all the way around, guys. So you want to try to get as close to the edges as you can, obviously without going over. But if you go over, that's fine because that's what we're going to use the apply tool for. And you don't really want that line there. So just try to get as close as you can to fill in that line. And I find that it's easier when the objects, of course, are black or white in your picture because obviously you don't really have to worry about wiping those. I still tend to though because there can still be reflections and stuff like that bouncing off your clothes or objects, and I still want that to show through just so it does look more natural. So still be sure to wipe over it even when you are wearing black or white, or you have an object that's black or white. So as you can see, my skirt's black, but I'm still gonna go over it. And of course, this is something you'll get better with as you practice more. I've done this a ton of times now, so I just go like pretty quickly. And sometimes I find that the quicker you go, the actually more precise you are. And the shading honestly fills in right where you need it to. It kind of sees the lines, so it doesn't really go outside of the lines unless you really like, you know, screw it up. But even if you do, that is fine. Almost done. It does take a while. Obviously, certain pictures or objects are easier to, you know, wipe than others, but we'll get it done. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So once I have my image here, right, and I'm like, okay, that looks pretty good, to double check, I'm gonna hit this little blue circle right here. It has like 2 boxes. I'm gonna hit that, and then it shows you what your picture looked like before. So I do that kind of quick just to check, like, okay, did I miss anything? You can see the before and after. Oh, okay. Oh, I can see something right here. So I'm gonna hit it again. Okay, that's what it looked like before, and that's what it looks like now. So I do kind of want to fill that in right there, so it's not so gray. And a little bit more. And that looks good to me. It's okay if you have like little lines. See, you can see a little bit, it needs to be filled in there. Maybe try to get a little bit closer here. Good. Now I want to show you guys how to use the apply tool. So say you accidentally wipe too much away and you're like, oh shoot, what do I do? Okay, so I'm going to purposely do this on the floor. So I'm wiping and I'm like, oh my god, I wiped too much. I want that to be black and white. What you're going to do is you're going to hit the apply tool. Apply. And all you're going to do is you're just going to use wiping motions again and go right over that same area. And what it's going to do is it's going to apply the black and white on top. Good as new. So once you have your desired look, you're going to hit the blue check mark in the top right. And then you're going to hit this little save icon button up here. Usually it's the same look and save button for everything. So we're going to hit that, and we're going to hit save to camera roll. So let's go to our camera roll and see if it's there. And there is our new picture. Voila! So it's just as easy as that, guys. If you have any other questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, it does take practice. Just like anything, practice makes perfect. So just keep trying it out. Do different shapes, different objects, different people. And you'll have it down in no time. If there's anything else that you guys would like to know how to do, or how I edit my pictures in general, please let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to share all my tips and tricks with you guys. So that is it for today's video. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope I see you guys in my next video. Bye!